Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do what I promised in my last video. So basically this video is going to be a what's in my bag. So this is my Pochette Metis that I got for Christmas, and I love it. I still love it. It's still the bag that I am in love with and I love it. 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 That's literally all I can say. So the first thing that you guys probably see is different is I have a scarf on the handle. So I did order one from Shein because I just wanted something that would protect my bag. I was looking into getting one of the Hermes twilly scarves. I think that's what they're called. And those are thinner and made to be wrapped around handles of handbags. I really didn't know if I wanted one because for me, its sole purpose is to protect the handle, my Vuitton handle. That's all I want to do. I didn't need an addition. Now, once the bag gets older and it is like, you know, wear and tear on it, I might get a nicer one just to add something to the bag. But right now, the scarf's purpose is not supposed to add something to the bag. So basically, that's why I did not get the Hermes one. Well, the Shein one didn't end up working because it was like a large scarf that you would like wrap around your neck kind of thing, and I didn't realize that. So this is actually a AKA scarf, silk kind of material scarf that I got gifted once I crossed. So I decided to use that to wrap around my handle because it's much thinner, so it's easier to do. It's probably not the best, but my goal was to have a little edge on both sides that were kind of even and enough to kind of cover the little bit of a shed on the side. So they kind of just sit like that. And I like pink and green, obviously. So it all works. One thing that I will say is people do say that the strap is a little stiff. I do get what they mean because it is a very stiff, but it is a little stiff. So I get what people were saying about that, but for me, it hasn't been much of a problem. I do like the range of lengths that I can choose. So that's the handle, and that's what the bag looks like. So usually in the back pocket, I would have my phone. My 11 Pro Max does fit in this pocket, so that's what I would have back there. But currently I'm recording on my phone. So yeah, this handle is just to protect it from my greasy hands, hand sanitizer, lotion, whatever. This is what my bag looks like. It's probably not the most organized in the world, but I'll go through it. Oh, also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I do have those felt organizers that I got from Etsy on there. So they're like a little bit of a lighter brown than the actual bag. And I did like the structure that it gave the bag. So I'll probably go through the first section. So I'm gonna lean this on my shoulder. So the first thing is I have a pad in there. I have one of these makeup remover wipes that I got from a hotel. You never know. It's a nice prepackaged wipe. Destroyed pack of gum, kind of smushed. Hoops. I have this habit of when I leave the house, for some reason, I forget earrings. So I always have to grab a pair of hoops. And then in one of the little pockets, I have a nail file and nail glue and a little buffer thing because I wear the gel extensions and sometimes if they pop off somewhere, it's kind of embarrassing to have one nail, so I'll just glue it back on and we're fine. So, and then at the bottom, I have a tampon. And then these are the little inserts. So this is a little front one. I'll just stick that back in there. And then in this pocket, I have my monogram mini pochette that I've already done a video on that I can link at the top. So I'll go through this real fast. So basically this is my mini pochette in monogram. I love this thing. So I think I know what it's called on. Okay. So that's what it looks like. I mean, you guys can't tell, but I have a fabric mask in there just in case I forget a disposable one. I have some EOS, I think it's like strawberry hand cream. I'm sorry if somebody's music is blasting outside my window. You guys might hear it. And then I have this lip gloss that I got from Sephora. I liked it at first, but it's not my favorite now. It has like a little pinky of a tint to it. And then I have a matte cream sheen glass. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is my signature color. And this is in Delight. I love this stuff. I've gone through 2 or 3 of those already. And then I also have the little metal no-touch thing. So I do have that. I have a black hair tie. And then I have some more lip stuff. I have a MAC lipstick in Whirl. It's a matte lipstick. And that's what it looks like. Also, signature color. I have 3 lip liners. I'm currently very into lip liners. And Ulta for New Year's had a $5 off $10 purchase. So I basically got these for like $2 a pop each. I have the NYX lip pencil in mauve. Mauve is like my overall lip color that I wear all the time. So mauve seemed pretty dead on, and when I use it, it's basically the color of my lips. So I like a better than my lip color lipstick color, basically. This one is, that was from NYX. This is from Essence. This is a Stay 8-hour lip liner, waterproof with sharpener. This color's in 03 So Default. This is a little bit pinkier than the mauve, but so it's a nice little, obviously it's a retractable one. It's a nice little switch of paste. This one is my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in Cold Brew. This is definitely a brown, basically, and so a brown with like a touch of mauve, and I think that's a nice little contrasting of colors. So that was all that was in my pochette. I love it, and it's also nice if I wanted to. I could just take all that stuff out, put it in my purse, and just bring this anywhere if it was a time where my purse was too big. So, okay. So also in here, I have my Monogram key pouch. So in here, I have obviously cards and cash. That's all I keep in here. That's also if I need to run inside somewhere, because my car is push to start, so I don't need to grab my car keys, so I just usually grab that. And then I do have a bundle of keys with hand sanitizer, my car keys, a chapstick holder thing that my roommate gave me, and then stuff from my apartment, house key, room key, gate button thing. And then I have 36 cents. And then this is, and I haven't really worn this purse enough to add more stuff in there, but that's basically it. And then this is the more bigger second organizer. It's really sturdy and I do like those. And then there's a little slip back here that I have some receipts in. And yeah, that is, I think, everything I put in my bag for the most part. Let me grab out these organizers and I'm gonna talk more about them. So these are the 2 organizers. As you can see, one of them is definitely bigger than the other one. I got these off of Etsy, and I think the shop ships from China, but I got these in a week, which is like super impressive. So basically this one, they're both kind of like the same idea where they're basically a little flat. This one's a little tighter than this one, obviously. And they have these little pockets. And this was, I think, 50 bucks. I did get it around Black Friday, so it was, I think, like a few dollars off than the normal price. I think normally it's like 55. So they're super nice. They're, as you can see, sturdy. They're not super floppy. The little pockets inside definitely add some structure to my bag. And like I've talked in the unboxing video of my bag, which I can also link up there, that was a problem for me. I didn't like how the insides were kind of, actually I can show you guys again. They were actually pretty floppy. I did not like that. So the inserts helped. But this is how, so the front insert isn't as big as the thing can expand to, but I'm okay with that because as you guys saw, all I did was basically shove something behind the insert because I had room. So basically this is what it looks like. I love this bag. Does it get a little heavy? Yes, but it isn't the worst thing in the world. I know some people say some bags, for example, I think the Yves Saint Laurent Sunset bag is already heavy itself with the chain too. So then once you throw your stuff in there, people say it's like it gets even heavier. This is not as heavy of a bag. Obviously my inserts make it heavier, all my stuff makes it heavier, but it isn't the worst thing in the world. Like I said, if you're OCD like me, or you live somewhere where there's rain, snow, different climates, and you don't want any watermarks on your wrist just yet, and like I said, I know that this is gonna probably start turning colors, just get you a scarf. This is, for me, a scarf that I wouldn't mind getting dirty. I can throw in the washing machine. Did I do the best job of tying it? No. But will it be okay? Yes, because its purpose is just to protect my handle. So here that is. Love it, love it, love it. I have seen people buy different straps from Louis Vuitton and put them onto the pochette. Also, I think there's a company, I can't remember the name of it, who sells the inserts, and they also sell different handles. So I guess if you didn't actually want to use your vachette handle, you could actually buy the little metal, like fake metal chain things, and have that on front, or have it on the front, and then grab that instead of this. That's kind of like a kind of the chain of the pochette, like the mini pochette. So and this is really the span of the bag. It doesn't get much bigger. Sometimes the front gets a little bigger depending on what it is. Like if I stick my AirPods in there, they tend to stick. I put them kind of on the top. I don't put sunglasses in my bag. Those stay in my car. So I don't really have any issues with that. But overall, because this is, you can lift the front a little bit, you can fit honestly a lot in there. And if you took out obviously the inserts, you could probably fit even more. For me, because of COVID, I've tried to use less things, so like smaller items. So sometimes instead of even bringing this bag, I will just grab my key pouch and my clusters of keys, hook them together, and this is all in it. Yes, this is a lot, but this is a less, this can slip in my pocket and I don't have to fool with it. Pull it in and out of my pockets, wipe it down, super easy. But this is old for me, so I do wipe it down with disinfectant. This, because it's new, I don't want to wipe it down with disinfectant yet, so I try to not put it on things like I've talked in my previous video. Don't put your bags on the floor. They deserve a seat at the table too. So I'm kind of ranting now. But if you guys have any more questions, I'll probably do a wear and tear video if you care. If not, then I'll keep that information to myself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.